This is Tim here from YourSix Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to back up and restore your WhatsApp messages, and this is very easy to do. So all you need to do is go to your chats, go to the top right and hit settings. Then going down to chats, scrolling down, at the bottom you can see backup. Now anything on here since the last backup says you never back this up. So if you back up your messages, you do have the option to restore them. So to restore them, you need to delete the app and then re-download it. And then when you're signing back in with your account, you enter in your phone number. It'll say restore your messages. So just go ahead and just delete the app. So let's locate WhatsApp. And then go to uninstall. And then go to the Google Play Store and reinstall it. And you should be able to restore your messages. There will be a pop-up on the screen that says restore. So go ahead and just try this out. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out.